Make sure the power switch is turned off for the safety reason. Make sure the presser foot lifter is raised. Open the looper cover by sliding it to the right. Turn the handwheel toward you to align both guide holes with the eye of looper thread take-up lever. Draw the thread along the notch and pass it through the looper thread tension dial. Tug the thread gently to ensure the thread is correctly inserted between the tension discs. Draw the thread down into the looper thread guide A. Pull the thread to pass it through the looper thread guide until it locks in place while holding the thread at the thread guide plate. Pass the thread through the eye of the looper take-up lever and both guide holes. Slip the thread behind the looper thread guide B from the right. Pull the looper release knob and the looper will slant to the right for easy access. Pass the thread through the eye of the looper thread guide C. Pass the thread through the eye of the looper. Draw the thread and 10 cm or 4 inches to the back. Push the looper back to the original position. Close the looper cover.